Let's check out some fireworks, baby! Roman candles. There's the fireball rockets, baby. Just look at them. Look at them all. Look at the little bottle rockets. Just look at them. Just look at them. Oh, the bottle rockets. There's some rockets right there. Some more bottle rockets. Whole bunch of missiles and stuff. And some other shooty shits. American flag shooty shit missile. What are the shooty shits? Yeah. That's some fireworks. And then the good shit right over here. Boom, 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 boom. These things are pretty big too. See? They ain't little boys. And a nice Omega 54 shot. Yeah, come on. Well, see you later.